poppin'? It's your girl Kayla Ade, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing an interesting video because I know y'all probably like, you do all these natural hair videos and we see that the shrinkage is real. The shrinkage is real. Like, the shrinkage is real. So disregard my little boo-boo looking messed up, ugly, wet the world mop on my head. I haven't been feeling like doing my hair. And it's been a minute. It's probably been like a week since I did my hair. So I'm gonna scoot away from doing a natural video. Let the curls pop. So today I'm gonna be doing straightening my natural hair. I haven't strained my hair in a year. So we're gonna see, did it shed or did it go? Because I'm gonna insert pictures, videos of how long my hair was last year, and that's what made me like think I should do. I should straighten my hair. Like, I haven't straightened my hair in a minute. I just been seeing these curls pop and all that, so I haven't straightened my hair in a long time. So Snapchat got where you can see your memories or whatever. So I've been seeing my memories from last year, and last year around this time I had my hair straightened, and baby, I just need to run it back this year. So I'm just nervous because every time I flat iron my hair, like, it freezes as soon as I hit outside, or it freezes like the next day. Sometimes it's a pro and con. So the only reason why I don't flat iron my hair all the time is because I hate the maintenance of it. I like to get up and go, but as you see, my natural can't even get up and go. Can't even get up and go. So I don't know, but I'm gonna tell y'all all the products I'm gonna be using in this video, and I know y'all wanna watch me rumble, but this video almost didn't get done today, and I really want to do it today because I have a lot of festivities for the Halloween weekend. So I didn't have a blow dryer, and I'm not where I can grab my blow dryer or find it, so my good old sis had to come to the rescue. So I'm gonna have to sit under a blow dryer because that's the only blow dryer she has. She don't have a handheld blow dryer. And I'm starting this video, well, y'all, I've been up since 7, but it's currently 8:02. It takes forever to do my hair, but as I go, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm using. I have these 2 products from Ozzy. I think that's how you say it, with the little kangaroo miracle curls. I have the shampoo and I have the conditioner, and it's with the coconut and Australian jojoba oil. I want to say that's what they say. And I'm gonna be trying these out. And if y'all don't know what shampoo I normally use, just go back into my other videos and watch my natural videos. But I was using Natural Mothers, and I was using it for a long time until it ran out, and it finally ran out soon. Well, the shampoo ran out, but the conditioner didn't. But so I seen these in Target when I was strolling through Target to give me some more gel, and I was like, I'm gonna try it out. And then it was cheap, y'all. It was cheap. I think it was like $2.99 or something like that. I'm gonna use their they have a whole line, I think. I'm gonna use that too one day. I'm gonna use that, but I just need some shampoo and conditioner for this video, so I just grabbed this. So I'm gonna be using this when I wash my hair, because yes, I'm gonna be washing my hair. It's not gonna be looking like this. And I have who is this? Y'all know these little bottles. Y'all know. Everybody want to use this. Y'all know what it is. OGX Pure Beauty Pure and Simple. I think that's the name of it. Yeah, okay. I haven't used this in, y'all, it's so much stuff. I bought this a long time ago, and I haven't used this in so long. But it's the Protecting Plus Silk Blowout Quick Dry Thermal Spray. It's cut down blow drying time, it says, and protects your hair up to 450 degrees for big, beautiful blowouts. This is what I'm gonna be using for a heat protector. You can buy another heat protector, but I just didn't feel like buying another one because I have this and I need to use it. So I'm gonna be putting this on my hair after I finish washing my hair. And what else I have over here? I have argan oil I'm gonna be putting throughout my hair. I need to oil my hair. And I have a comb and I have my thinning brush. I'm gonna tell you why I have a comb, and I'm gonna thinning brush to brush my hair out, whatever. But I'm gonna tell y'all why I have a comb later on in the video. So I'm gonna be right back after I wash my hair. Okay, so yeah, I'm back and it looks way much better than what I left off the camera looking like. So right now I'm about to sit under the dryer. I don't know how long, but as you can tell, like it don't even look like my hair is wet, but it's a little damp because my hair, the water just soaks up or it just roll right off. But I'm about to sit up under here. I don't know how long that's gonna take. Probably about 30 minutes, probably longer. I'ma see. We'll just get under the blow dryer and I will be right back. But I'm back. So the flat irons I'll be using are Revlon flat irons. I had these for a long time. And y'all, seeing that blow dryer just reminded me that I would never do it again. I gotta go buy me a blow dryer. So I usually do like 2 to 3 passes through my hair when I flat iron it. So I use a comb. I put the flat iron, then comb it through. Y'all probably do the same method, but I'm gonna be doing that. But I'm about to brush it out and I'm about to get to flat iron. And I'll see y'all when I finish my back. So yeah, I finished one side, as y'all can see. Your girl got the real inches. Period. I'm gonna compare how it looks when I flat iron it. I mean, it probably can be straighter. And let me tell y'all, fun fact. Fun fact. It's not fun for me, but every time I decide to flat iron my hair, it rains. And I think it's raining outside. So every time I decide, it's like God just be like, you can't be great. You can't have all them haters on you. You can't let them hate. You can't let them see them red. It's something, let them see them their natural, their shrinkage. But I'm trying to be great. So I'm gonna see if you're gonna be great this weekend. I'm gonna put it to the back and I'm gonna take this down. And I'm gonna show y'all the difference from the shrinkage. As y'all probably already tell, if y'all have been watching my videos, you can tell the difference of the shrinkage and how it look when I straighten it. If I can get this thing off, okay. But it's y'all haven't seen. Yeah. Y'all haven't seen my hair straightened, so that's why I want to do this video so I can show y'all that your girl got a little length. It ain't no problem with not having length, but everybody got, when you go natural, you just want to have hefty hair. Y'all probably wondering how did I get my hair so long. I really don't have no tips, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you and say I use this, that, because I don't. I was just blessed when I was little to have a long hair. It's probably was genetics, I don't know. But this is how it looks. I'll give y'all a back. Y'all see the shrinkage is real, honey. Look at that. And look at that. I probably should. Y'all, I'm so, y'all probably can see it. I should have wore a white shirt. I don't know why I wore a black shirt, but I should have wore a white shirt so y'all can see. Hopefully y'all can see the, hopefully y'all see the difference. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally finished with the back. I put it in the ponytail, so that's why I got a little crease. I'm gonna re-flat iron it because it's getting back poofy and it's me. I spend my heart all the time trying to flat iron the freaking hair. And you want to frizz up? I ain't even went nowhere and you already frizzing up. That's just why I don't flat iron my hair. I get so frustrated. But this is how it looks from the side. So we can be way flatter, but you know, and this is how it from the back. Yeah, I started at 8, and guess what time it is? It's 11:31. 11:31. Yeah, I ain't even finished the top. That's why I don't do this, but I'm doing it for y'all. I don't know when next time I'm gonna do this, but it's a process. So, and this time I'm not having that much shade. Like, I remember I had way more shade in this. That's a good thing. This is the only thing I got. Yes, I'm loving it. Yeah, oh my god, I'm finally finished. I'm finally finished. This is the outcome. It's a little poofy at the ends, and I hate when it get like that, but my top, baby, silky and slip, baby, like a silk perm, like a just for me. You feel me? Like a just for me. But I gotta have fun, y'all. But this is the outcome. This is how long my hair is. It could probably be, if it was straighter, it would probably be a little bit longer if it was straighter. Y'all comment some better flat irons down below. That's probably what or some products that would help my hair, like girls with thick, girls with thick natural hair, make it like smoother, you know what I'm saying? But maybe because my hair's so thick that it would never lay as straight as I wanted to, but I've seen my hair lay straighter than this, so every time I do it, it gets straight. But when I used to let somebody do my hair, they used to get it straighter. I don't know if it was just because the flat irons, it probably is the flat irons, because they had the, you know, see these are yellow plated, they had the silver ones, and I've been trying to find flat irons like that for a long time, and when I do, they are high, like they skyrocket high. But if y'all have any questions about my hair, or if y'all want to know what I did, but it is 1:13, y'all, 1:13, and I started the whole process at 8 o'clock. So yes, this do takes a whole day process. I'm glad I'm finished. I'm gonna wrap it. I wrap it at night. I try to wrap it out. It takes forever to wrap this. I wrap it, put a bun on, and I call it a day. And I wear it for a few days. And sometimes when it come out like this, I have to flat iron it like in the next 3 days. I have to flat iron or tomorrow. I don't know. I mean, I'm really not that pressed because it's probably gonna be like for a weekend or a week hairstyle. Probably ain't even that. I probably ain't even put it. I'm probably gonna put it in a ponytail. I'm gonna be doing so much to this hair, like it makes no sense. But if y'all can give me some tips on how to make it straighter, y'all can leave that down in the comments below. But this is how long my hair is, and y'all let me know if y'all think it has gotten shorter from since last year, or if it's the same. Let me know. I would stand up, but I don't want to get out the camera frame. But y'all just let me know what y'all think. So y'all, that is it. Thank y'all for watching. I want y'all please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see me do next, or any questions about my hair. Bye.